Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a public Snapchat account. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So to make your Snapchat account public, there are a few ways. So I'm just going to show you. So first you open up your Snapchat app. So once you open up your Snapchat app, what you'll do is you will click on your profile icon, then you click on settings, and here you will scroll and see the privacy control option. So under contact me, you will select this to everyone, and also under sending notifications you will select this to everyone too. So make sure those two have everyone in it. And also see me in quick add, you can show yourself in quick add. Now another thing you can do is once you go back from these settings, if you come back to this page and you'll scroll down, here you have public profiles. You can show create public profile option. So you'll click on that one, then you can click on get started and create. So now this will create your public profile. So if you open this up, this is your public profile. You can edit this profile, you can add a bio, you can turn on your location, you enter your location, spotlight, you can save a spotlight. This is how you create a public account on Snapchat. Guys, it's very simple. So this is how it works. I hope this is it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys. Leave a comment if it works out for you, if you liked it. Also leave a like if you liked it. And with that, I would like to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.